Why does my RC motor keep burning out? If you are wondering why your remote control motor keeps burning out, you are not alone. This is a common issue that many hobbyists face. Let's break down the reasons this might be happening and how you can prevent it. One major reason for motor burnout is overloading. This occurs when the motor is forced to work harder than it can handle. For example, using the wrong propeller or gearing can lead to problems. If your propeller is too large or has too much pitch, or if your gearing ratio is too high, the motor has to draw more current to maintain speed. This increased current generates excessive heat, which can lead to burnout. Another factor is incorrect battery voltage. If you use a battery with a higher voltage than what your motor is rated for, it increases the power demand. For instance, using a 3-cell lithium polymer battery instead of a 2-cell can cause the motor to draw more current. This extra current generates heat and can damage the motor. Excessive current draw is also a key issue. When the motor is overloaded, it draws more current because the voltage is usually constant in remote control systems. This increased current raises the temperature in the motor windings, which can destroy insulation and magnets inside the motor. Stalling or crawling conditions can be problematic too. If your motor is under heavy load but not spinning fast enough, like when it is stuck on rough terrain, it can heat up rapidly. If the motor becomes too hot to touch for more than a couple of seconds, it is at risk of burning out. Environmental factors play a role as well. Exposure to mud, water, or debris can damage the motor's internal components. This reduces cooling efficiency and can lead to overheating. Lastly, an incompatible or faulty electronic speed controller can cause irregular power delivery. This can stress the motor and lead to failure. To prevent your motor from burning out, always use the recommended propeller and battery combination for your specific motor. Check the motor's current draw with your setup and ensure it does not exceed the motor's rated limits. Monitor the motor temperature during initial runs. If it gets too hot to touch for more than 2 seconds, reduce the load or adjust your setup. Avoid stalling the motor by not forcing it into situations where it cannot spin freely. Keep the motor clean and dry to maintain proper cooling. Lastly, use an electronic speed controller that matches the motor's specifications. By understanding these factors and carefully matching your motor, propeller, battery, and electronic speed controller, you can help keep your remote control motor from burning out and extend its lifespan.